Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah. Have you ever experienced some ads or some other Instagram pages or Telegram accounts which saying that you can get this phone for just 6,000 rupees, you can get this phone for just 5,000 rupees? I'm not talking about the normal, unbranded, very basic elementary phones. I'm talking about the iPhones, Samsung flagship phones, everything. How is that possible ever? Can you believe in that? So this video is going to be about that one. I'm going to talk about the very important and very important one, which is illegal, the term called carding, C-A-R-D-I-N-G. So let's start. Hey guys, in this channel I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and tricks videos, also unboxing videos and some review videos. And regarding tech stuff, I do some lot of videos. So you can watch all my videos in your leisure time if you're free, if you are boring. So you can just make fun of it and stay kind of with me by subscribing down here, or also follow me in my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all everything. So let's start this video regarding the term called carding. So let me just Google it and just show you what is that. So let me just put a word C-A-R-D-I-G, carding. What is the meaning of carding? So it says credit card fraud. Please make this a very important one. Don't just take this video as a fun part, just a normal video. Just put your concentration. Okay. This says credit card fraud. Carding is a form of credit card fraud in which a stolen credit card is used to charge prepaid cards. So it's nothing but illegal, and it is about stealing someone's credit card and then paying through their credit card and giving the phone to you. So I hope you understood and confuse you. So if you are assume that you are having a credit card or some other cards, some other guys, some hacking stuff, they got into you and collected your details, and then they are using your cards or some other cards, credit cards illegally, and they are taking your account money and using for their personal use or some other personal use and just leaving you broke. This is the credit card fraud. So how are they doing this? So let me just say you a simple thing. You all know very well that there is a thing called black internet. I mean, I don't know much about that one. As internet is very useful in many things, there is equal amount of it, also more than that, which is used for illegal stuff. How we are using internet is one part. It's one part. The other side is called the dark web. Yeah, I think this is the correct word, called dark web. Through the dark web, we can access everything which runs with bitcoins, cryptocurrency, all that stuff. I don't know much about that one. I should do a research on that and then talk to you. But this does not affect us in this video. So what they do is that they will collect the details, then they will sell the details in the platform, like how we are buying the goods in the Amazon or Flipkart or stuff. So they will have some other websites and things in the dark web, and they will sell our details, collected details, and some consumers, they will buy, and then they will do illegal transactions through our credit cards and buy the stuff. So ultimately, we have to pay the money for whomsoever. So this is illegal, completely illegal. Let me give you an example, not example, it's a life example. What I did was that for past I think 1 or 2 months before, I started doing a small research on credit card. This fraud. Carding. So what I did was I searched many Instagram profiles and also some of the Telegram links, and I joined their account. Their account will be private. Please make a very important one. Their account will be private. Okay. So you have to follow, and they will accept. They will check something they will do, and they will accept. And those Instagram those Instagram accounts will have a lot of followers, say approximately 1 million, like that. So you will blindly believe. Okay, now let me just show you some accounts here. See, you can see here it has 216 posts, and it has 31.1k followers, and someday for that we don't need that one. They mentioned in their story. I don't want to showcase that one, so sorry for that. You can search and you can get all this kind of stuff. So what they did was that they just openly declared that they are giving you carded products. They are not saying that we are doing illegal stuff, we are not doing that. They openly declared that we are ordering you a product through a credit card fraud. That means illegal credit card. We are carding the products. We are openly declaring. So if in case you bought the product and you everything you happen, okay, and after some days passed, if the credit card owner finds out, and if he finds out, the product which was bought will be taken into account, and that product will be tracked for the IP address and who are bought, and you will be caught. See, the man in the intermediate will never be caught. He will be safe. So if you want to buy some stuff or some thing through credit card fraud, I mean this carding, please don't go for it. At least you can buy a second hand product or buy a clone product which is a much more superior and much more far superior. I'm not talking about a quality, I'm just talking about the safetiness for you. So this is the main thing I want to inform you that. And another one thing is that you may ask that, okay, they are saying we are doing credit card carding, I mean the carding, so and all that stuff. And if in case they didn't deliver the product, so we are paying some 6,000 or approximately 10,000, like that 5 11 Pro Max or 12 Pro Max, the latest one, for just 10,000. And if he didn't deliver, what is the surety? Because none other person can comment in their post. In the post section, the comments are turned off. So if someone bought, they will they will comment in their post, so they will give some value for it. So in all these in all these accounts, the comment section will be turned off. So that clearly indicates whether they are faking or not, we don't know. So please be aware. I would like to make another video how I lost my approximately 5 to 8,000 rupees with my friend and also my through fraud like this Instagram. So I will let you know in my future videos. So stay connected by subscribe down here and also follow me on social media platforms. So I'll talk about that in another video. I'm repairing, I'm collecting some resources for all that one. So you can see in this account has 33 posts only, just 33, but it has a followers of 96,000 followers. So if some guy goes into them, they will blindly believe they have some assurity, they are genuine like that one. But what is the assurity? You don't receive any bill, you don't receive any warranty, you don't receive any such thing. Just you will pay the money, you don't know whether it will come or not. Just you have to wait and trust. That's it. If it doesn't come, your 10,000 has been lost. For that, you can invest in some other thing and also trade or some other you can do in a good way. So that's the main concern I want to let you know, because I was about to be cheated. So that's the main thing which made me to do a video on this one, and also upload my channel. You can watch the video. And next one is like this one. It has 84k subscribers. Sorry, followers. Just 86 posts. See, they are saying it's a trusted, verified, certified seller. What is a trust? They give a number for you. You can talk to them. You can WhatsApp them. You can pay them. Anything you can do. But if they block you, what is the thing? Just a matter of seconds, they block you and just go vanish into air, thin air. So also they are giving 10,000 plus happy. Yeah, I will not say all them are fraud, all of them are doing illegal or the cheating. But what is the assurity is that? What can you do? What is the assurity? Nothing is there. We don't know them, we have not seen them, nothing photo, nothing is there. How can you file an FIR if you lost the money? How can you do so? So just make it into account. And also another fun part is that they will not accept cash on delivery. They will accept only online transactions. So just you have to pay the 10,000 full amount at the first time. And what is the surety for you? So I'm just talking and repeatedly all this kind of stuff. So this is the thing I want to talk to you about this one. So I hope you got a clear idea on this credit card fraud. The credit card fraud, the carding, the name called carding. So if some of friends suggested or someone to buy, you check for whether they have cash on delivery. They will say no, so don't buy. Next, if they check whether they post or they turn comments on or off. If the comments are turned off, for God's sake, trust me, don't ever follow that page and check all that post. Just don't do that. You will get motivated by that one. They will post regularly. Like it's a very true, it's a very legitimate, it's a original one. But for God's sake, don't do that. And the third one, you know very well, in technology, we can buy subscribers, followers, likes, comments, everything we can buy. So we don't know whether they bought the followers or not. Who knows? Just for 10,000 they might have bought some 10,000, 3,000 followers. It may know. So don't get washed away with this one. So that's the main thing I want to say about. So in next video I would like to talk to you about the trading. Many people are okay, that's the very big video I want to talk to you about. So stay tuned. I and my friend has lost approximately 5,000 to 8,000 rupees. I'm just trying to catch that guy. So I like to make that video. So stay tuned. Okay, I'll definitely make that video and upload it in my channel. So stay tuned. Okay, that's it. So I'm just wasting your time for much time. It's very sorry for that. So see you next video. Before that, this is Rais Ahmed signing off. See you next video. Bye bye.